Hi, it's Abe from McFay Photography. I just want to give you a quick sort of thought on using flash. If you've got a speed light or an on-camera flash or a flash on your phone, for instance, it shines directly onto the person, like this photo of Andy here. So you can see there's this photo, that photo there. Now the light that comes directly from your camera is always very unflattering. It's very flat, there's no discernible shadows, there's a bit under his chin there. It's not a good look. So what we tend to do with on-camera flashes, if we can, we point the flash away from the subject and bounce it off something, which is fine if you've got a building with white walls. You can point it at the walls, or a building with a white ceiling, so you can point it straight up at the ceiling. The light goes up, bounces down and hits the subject. Then what I got was I got Dave to stand roughly, if we look at this next shot, so Dave was roughly where my mouse is there, so only a few centimetres away from him really. You can see the reflection here. He's got a big round, a reflector disc, which is white by the look of it in that one. Yeah, a white one. And I pointed my flash directly at the disc. I set the flash zoom, which if you've got a speed light, you might have seen this, you can zoom the beam so it narrows. I set it to 105, so it's a narrow beam. And I hit the shutter, the flash goes off, bounces back onto Andy like a billiard ball or a snooker ball or a pool ball, whichever form of cue sports you're into. As you can see, from that to that, I didn't change any settings, I didn't move, I didn't do much. All I did was just rotated the head. Now if you haven't got a reflector, like I say, find a wall or find anything that's got a little bit of reflective substance on it. So for instance, you see this gate in the background here. You wouldn't think that was a reflector, but right at the end of the night we got Andy Boocock, and I pointed my flash directly at that. The light hits the gate and then bounces back onto Andy. I did a second shot where I just increased the power. So there you go.